It's just been a wonderful experience, and I love this scene, and I look completely different, so it's all plus.
Okay, that looks great. Okay, how do you feel?
Fantastic. He used to be a really, really big action star, and now his career has reduced him to doing infomercials. And he's trying to figure out exactly what he wants to do with his life. And this offer comes to him, and he really does not know what he's getting into, but he knows it's something more than what he's doing now.
This is the Destroyer 1.
No, it's
You need an apron.
Is that Destroyer 2?
yeah. Which one is Destroyer 2? 'Cause I don't-
Destroyer 2 is over here.
Oh,
It's in the bin.
oh, you're talking about the machete?
Yep. Machete, are you out?
And we're gonna start with my personal favorite, the Destroyer 2.0.
Well, alrighty then.
Did you know, Alex, that this knife can cut through any bone like butter?
No, I didn't know that, Winnie.